Now to some breaking news. A federal judge in Denver ruled this afternoon that the wife and children of Mohamed Soliman can't be deported without due process. He is the man accused of hurling Molotov cocktails at pro-Israeli demonstrators in Boulder earlier this month.
The judge left in place a temporary restraining order blocking the plan to send Soliman's family back to Egypt. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates has been digesting this order and hundreds of pages of court documents you've gone through today. You're joining us from the newsroom. What is your biggest takeaway after reading through this?
Well, Alex and Kim, it's this. Before Hayam El-Gamal and her 5 kids can be deported, they will get the chance to fight in federal court in Texas.
Boulder police quickly arrested Mohamed Soliman after this June 1st attack on demonstrators trying to call attention to Israeli hostages being held in Gaza. 15 people were injured, some suffering serious burns. Barely 48 hours later, as Soliman awaited the filing of criminal charges, federal officials had his wife and 5 kids in their sights. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem saying they would be investigated. The White House saying they could be deported as early as tonight, and later adding 6 one-way tickets for Mohammed's wife and 5 kids. Final boarding call coming soon. By then, agents with Immigration and Customs Enforcement had already taken them into custody and moved them to a detention center in Texas. Today, federal judge Gordon Gallagher transferred their case to a court in Texas, but notably, he ruled that they have a right to due process, meaning they can contest their deportation. And he left in place a restraining order he issued last week, preventing their removal from the U.S. As for Soliman himself, after an appearance in federal court last week, he was transferred to federal custody. He faces a federal hate crime charge and 56 criminal charges filed in state court, including multiple counts of attempted first-degree murder.
One document we obtained today in court asserts that a federal agent told Soliman's wife, quote, "You have to pay for the consequences of what you did." According to the attorney for Soliman's wife and kids, they're being held responsible for his conduct. Federal attorneys contend they were taken into custody because of their immigration status. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Yeah, Kevin, before you go, can you answer the question? Soliman was here on an expired visa, but what about his family? What is their immigration status as of today?
So Alex, he and his wife and kids came here in the fall of 2022 on visitor visas. Within a month, he applied for asylum in the U.S. for himself and his entire family. That application was still pending when this attack occurred.
Okay. Kevin, thank you.